Over 1,000 users already upvoted the news. OpenAI delayed GPT-5.6 due to safety concerns. Today's briefing brings you the latest in AI, chips, and startups. OpenAI has pushed back the release of GPT-5.6 until further notice. The Trump administration cited potential security risks. This delay affects developers using or planning to use GPT-5.6 in their projects. This isn't just about safety, it's a wake-up call for all relying on AI models. IBM has shattered records with the world's first sub-1 nanometer chip. This breakthrough promises faster, more efficient computing across the board. Smaller chips can transform everything from cloud servers to consumer devices. The race for smaller tech is heating up, and IBM just took a big leap. Notion has ditched its email app in favor of AI agents. With users increasingly handing over emails to AI assistants, Notion hopes these agents will free you from inbox clutter. Developers should consider integrating Notion's AI agent into their workflows. AI is becoming an indispensable tool for managing daily tasks. Patronus AI, backed by former Meta researchers, is raising $50M to test complex digital worlds. Robust testing is crucial for developing reliable AI models. Developers should integrate such stress testing environments into their development processes. Testing isn't just about quality, it's about avoiding disaster. Despite ChatGPT's market lead, Anthropic's Claude is winning over paid consumers. This higher quality model could be the future of premium AI services. Developers should evaluate Claude for their premium offerings. Higher quality often pays off in the long run. Stay ahead by watching these trends. Follow and subscribe to ViralVault for more insider tech news. The link's in the description.